In today's video, I am going to teach you how to place a pending order on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the chart for the trading instrument you want to trade. This could be a currency pair, an index, a commodity, or any other instrument available in your account. With the chart open, move to the top toolbar and click New Order. You can also right-click directly on the chart and choose Place New Order from the menu. Either option will open the Order Entry panel where you can set up your trade. In the New Order panel, choose the type of pending order you want to use. You will usually see options like Limit, Stop, and Stop Limit. Select the one that matches the trade setup you want to place. A pending order allows your trade to open later, only when price reaches the level you have chosen. Next, check that the correct trading symbol is selected in the order window. This is important because you want to make sure the order is being placed on the right market. After that, enter the quantity for your trade. This is the position size you want to open when the order is triggered. Now, set the target price. This is the price level where your pending order will become active. Take your time here and enter the exact price you want. The order will stay pending until the market reaches that level, unless you cancel it first. After setting the target price, you can add risk management settings if needed. You can enter a stop loss to limit potential losses and a take profit to automatically close the trade at your chosen profit level. Depending on the platform settings, you may also see additional order options. Configure any extra settings you want before submitting the order. Once everything is filled in, review all of the order details carefully. Check the order type, symbol, quantity, target price, and any stop loss or take profit settings. When you are sure everything is correct, click Place Order. After the order is submitted, go to the Orders tab at the bottom of the platform. There you should see your pending order listed. This confirms that the order has been placed successfully and is waiting for the market to reach your selected price. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.